In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create contact groups in Outlook 365. Start by opening Outlook. Look for the people icon in the navigation bar, depending on your version. It might appear along the left side or at the bottom of the window, and it may be labeled People or Contacts. Clicking this switches you from your Mail view to your Contacts area, which is where groups live. Next, create your new group. On the desktop app, go to the ribbon at the top and choose New Contact Group. If you are using Outlook on the web or the new Outlook experience, select New Contact List instead. The names are slightly different, but they both do the same thing. They let you build a single list you can use to email multiple people at once. Give your group a clear, memorable name in the name box. It helps to choose something descriptive, like the team, project, or department the group represents. A specific name makes it easier to find and avoids confusion with other lists later. Now add your members. Click Add Members. Then choose either from Outlook Contacts or from Address Book. From Outlook Contacts pulls from your personal contacts. From Address Book searches your organization's directory. Use the search bar to find people. Then double-click each name to add them to the group. You'll see the names accumulate in the Members area as you go. When you've selected everyone you need, click OK to return to your group window. If you need to include someone who isn't in your contacts or company directory, choose New Email Contact and enter their name and email address. This adds them directly to the group without changing your main contacts list. Before you finish, take a quick moment to scan the list. A short review helps catch spelling issues or the wrong address, especially if you are mixing personal contacts and directory entries. Consistency here will save you time later. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. Your new contact group or contact list, if you are on the web, is now saved in your People area. You can come back to it anytime from the same place where you created it, and it will be available whenever you work with your contacts. That's all it takes to create a contact group in Outlook 365. Thanks for watching.